Meet the Smart Digital Product Twin. For industrial companies and manufacturers, digital product twins are revolutionizing product development and service. Bridging the physical and digital worlds, they let you trace and simulate products in a virtual environment and make better data-driven decisions. The BearingPoint Digital Product Twin enables clients to connect data from across the entire lifecycle, bringing unique visibility and insights for improved product performance and customer experience. And it means you can explore the dynamics of design, production equipment, performance, and service enriched with real-time performance and condition data to massively accelerate your innovation and speed to market. Digital Product Twin handles millions of data points, providing the information you need for continued product improvement. Engineered systems can learn and evolve. Failure modes can be designed out. Products become smart. Production lines run more efficiently. Productivity and lead times improve. Even product customization can become simpler and more cost-effective. And your digital product twin opens up a world of smarter opportunities, with new digital touchpoints, bringing additional services, enhanced maintenance, and improved customer experience. BearingPoint's work with Digital Product Twin has won praise and awards for a global elevator and escalator company. We advised on the development of an entire digital ecosystem, including sensor monitoring of over 300,000 products across the world. With real-time reporting of product health and performance, maintenance, and customer service were dramatically improved. Smarter innovation, smarter engineering, smarter products, and a smarter future of service business and product innovation, turning data into sustainable value and industry leadership. Start your journey with BearingPoint Digital Product Twin.